Well guys, finally at the beach. You see them are like right up there. It took me long to find them because I went to the wrong beach. It was like, because it's split in half. This is a hike. Oh my goodness. Hi everyone. Thank you. Well, I think we all agree. Hey guys, so I see my dad there. You can't see it at all. It's really dark. Maybe this vlog will be shorter. What school do you guys go to? Like gonna be freshmen or? Goals. You think they're lying?
Yeah, I'm definitely lying.
They don't even look like freshmen. Yeah, there are people that just look like that.
Maybe they're in the grade below us and they're saying they're gonna become.
Why would they lie about that though?
You got on film, Kate?
Yeah. Did you get film on film? I got most of it. Okay, so they think Taylor's cute. Okay, and then there's this guy in red over there. His friend that thinks he's cute. Yeah, Taylor, you're getting all the boys.
What if he's cute?
Yeah, that's what I told him next time.
Alex has competition.
Wait, he looks older. That's why. That guy looks older. Wait, how did that guy even see us? We're so far. Yeah. Hold on. Wait, guys. Wait, do you see this? You can't even see them. What the hell? Guys, wait, what? We can't even see them. Oh my god, are they actually coming? I don't know.
That's far away.
Wait, guys. They said the guy in the red is 13, but the rest of them are in high school. How does that?
Impossible.
That doesn't make sense.
See, and you said they wouldn't lie. That's bullshit.
Wait, why would they lie about their friend? Because their friend is like, why are they saying their friend is younger?
Maybe because they like to.
Oh yeah. Not like Malcolm. Do you think they know I'm filming this?
No.
He's not. Wait, can we say never mind or something?
I can't see it.
Yeah.
He's thick. Yes, he's thick, guys. Make him thick.
Make a move. I'll DM.
He's so sick.
Guys, Taylor already has a guy, but Alex, you have competition. You better watch it. Tell Alex to watch this vlog. Wait, guys. Oh yeah, he's thick.
Alex is not thick.
Wait, so you guys don't even know what grade you guys are in?
You got held back in 9th grade. I got held back. Wait, so you're supposed to be a junior? You got held back in 1st grade. I know.
Wait, so you're gonna be freshman next year?
How did you guys even see Taylor? Her name is Taylor.
Oh yeah, that's.
How did you see her? Cause like you guys are like over there.
Over here and
I'll walk by. Yeah.
they wanted to come talk to you guys.
You always got knowledge, bitch.
There's 20 in my bag.
Wait, how old are you guys? How old are you guys?
What's your age?
I'm 14.
I'm 14.
14 next month.
And you're gonna become a 10th grader?
What? No, but if they're 14 and they got held back 2 grades. Oh yeah, there's a lot of contradiction over here.
How did they repeat 9th grade if you're going to be
Wait.
Oh yeah. We know
Okay, so like we know some
some
really
really
moms that are at Kailua Beach.
3 of them.
They walk that. Just like walk around saying.
and she'll like really take that. She's hot.
Thank you. Yeah, true. These just holes were really hot.
He has a little tip.
Oh, he's so cute. Damn, guys, this girl's body is so nice. super soft, and then when you actually try to listen to it, you can't hear anything.
Well, right now you're talking really loud.
But there's wind, so then you can't really
yeah,
hear it,
yeah,
you
yeah,
know? Yeah, see?
We're like, got you. Because me and Clara were trying to film a video on Snapchat and you couldn't hear anything.
Having parental issues.
They're just like bickering the whole time.
Yeah, I know. Now we're going to Isabella's house.
Casa de Isabel. Okay.
See? Oh yeah, it looks like it looks cute. The short hair. Whoa, guys, we're getting into a Jeep. This car looks so badass. I love it.
There needs to be 4 of us in that.
It's cool.
The best.
Look at that. You gotta take that high step in. Hop off the plane in LAX with my jeans and my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Woo! Am I gonna fit in?
Or like a little bite. If we don't.
Yeah, you can have half.
Huh.
Okay. No, I don't want it.
Oh,
Wait, I'm gonna cut it with a knife. It's gonna get some
yummy.
Just give me what you don't want.
Green donut. This one's really good. Guys, that's the mark where
Sorry, I just want to.
that one time I put my tongue on the freezer. Don't do that. My taste buds came off. Guys, you know what?
He's so cute.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Oh.
Wait, what happened? Is this?
Hi, honey.
Yeah.
Yummy. Why aren't you eating?
He doesn't like it when people watch me. He's really weird.
Oh. Look at guys, look at Maria. What did you do? I just got all the sand out from my swimsuit. Yikes.
Dab again.
Yay.
No, dab like Kate. Okay.
Izzy's gonna drive us, guys.
Okay, everybody.
We're all seat belted
I
up.
have to admit,
Click it or ticket. We're going. Izzy, you're pretty good. Guys, we just saw the guy that we saw at the beach.
Really?
Yeah, the hot one.
I didn't see him.
He was at the bus stop. I saw him with that girl he was with.
Did you